Now we are in the Rent Roll tab. There are four basic sections in this tab. We have the rental summary, the unit mix analysis, the rental breakdown, and the affordability estimator. Let's dive into each section. In the rental summary, we have the annualized GPR that is based on the monthly rentable income. We have the breakdown of the rents based on the units, as well as any vacant units, employee, model and office, any concessions, premiums, and the effective rent, which is the bottom line. And at the bottom, we again have our annualized rentable income. This number will flow into the rest of our model. Next, we have our unit mix analysis. It takes all the unit types, creates a summary of the rental itself. So we can see all of our rentals based on the floor plan, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, number of units per unit type, unit size, average rent per month, or by square footage. In the unit mix, we have a terrific feature that allows us to adjust rents for each unit type. This is a really good tool for underwriting. We can also see the price adjustment per square foot. In the lease analysis part of the unit mix, we have the relevant information from the rent roll that we uploaded. We can see the expired leases in the last 90 days and the new leases in the last 90 days as well. The next section is the rent roll breakdown. The rent roll breakdown takes all the information for the units from the rent roll and shows the breakdown per unit. Now in this section, we have a really effective tool we can use to see if there are any anomalies in the rent roll. What it basically does is it compares between units within the same unit type to see if there's any differences in the effective rents within that unit type and size. We use this feature throughout the entirety of the product. Now let's go ahead and compare between one of the unit types. Let's choose floor plan A1 and see if there's any difference in the rents between the units with this particular floor plan. We can go up here and choose whether we want to see the trend by the average or by the median. Now if we go back down to that rent roll breakdown, we can check to see if there are any significant changes between units. Since there is, we can then make comments and of course reach out to the borrower or the broker to better understand the situation. The last section is the affordability estimation feature. All we need to do is just click on the download affordability estimator and an Excel file will be downloaded to our computer. Basically what we're doing now is connecting our server into the Fannie Mae server as an affordability estimation for that specific asset based on the rent roll that we uploaded earlier. Here, we can see information about the property which can be edited and the breakdown of the rent roll. The most important information, however, is the affordability estimation, which we can add manually below. Now, let's move on to the next part of our assumptions.